Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about the top online platforms to increase your income. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over freelancing platforms and online marketplaces. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's digital age, the internet offers a wealth of opportunities for anyone looking to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply someone looking to boost their income, there are countless platforms available that can help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, we will explore various online income opportunities from freelancing and affiliate marketing to e-commerce and content creation. We'll dive into the pros and cons of each method, helping you identify which platforms align best with your skills and interests. Our aim is to provide you with practical tips and insights that can empower you to take action and start earning money from the comfort of your home. So, if you're curious about how to leverage the power of the internet to increase your income, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of the most effective online platforms and strategies to kickstart your journey toward financial independence. Let's get started and unlock the potential of making money online together. Freelancing platforms. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized the way people connect with clients seeking various services. These platforms serve as a marketplace where freelancers can showcase their skills and clients can find the right talent for their projects. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or digital marketer, there's a place for you to monetize your expertise. One of the great advantages of these platforms is the sheer variety of skills that can be offered. From video editing to social media management, the possibilities are endless. This diversity allows freelancers to tap into multiple income streams and cater to a wide range of clients. To stand out in this competitive landscape, it's crucial to create a compelling profile. Start by using a professional photo and writing a clear, engaging bio that highlights your skills and experience. Include a portfolio showcasing your best work, as visuals can significantly enhance your appeal. Additionally, consider gathering testimonials from previous clients to build credibility. By following these tips, you can attract more clients and increase your chances of success on freelancing platforms. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon provide fantastic opportunities for entrepreneurs to sell handmade or unique products to a global audience. Etsy is particularly known for its focus on artisanal goods, making it the perfect platform for crafters and creators to showcase their talents. On the other hand, Amazon offers a vast marketplace for a wide range of products, including handmade items, allowing sellers to tap into its massive customer base. When selling on these platforms, high-quality product photography and compelling descriptions are essential. Eye-catching images can make your product stand out in a crowded marketplace, while detailed descriptions help potential buyers understand the value and uniqueness of your items. Invest time in capturing your products from various angles and in good lighting to create an appealing visual presentation. Pricing strategies also play a crucial role in maximizing profits. Research similar products to determine competitive pricing, but don't undervalue your work. Consider factors like materials, time spent, and market demand when setting your prices. By effectively utilizing online marketplaces, you can turn your creative passions into a profitable venture while reaching customers around the world. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. Essentially, you partner with a brand and receive a unique affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This model allows you to generate passive income as you can continue to earn money from sales made through your links even after the initial promotion. One of the most popular affiliate programs is Amazon Associates, which offers a vast range of products to promote. With millions of items available, you can find something that aligns with your niche, whether it's tech gadgets, home goods, or fashion. Other notable programs include Share a Sale and ClickBank, which cater to various industries. To effectively promote affiliate products, consider creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be through blog posts, social media, or YouTube videos. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content and be transparent about your partnerships. Additionally, leveraging email marketing can help you reach a wider audience and drive more sales. By employing these strategies, you can maximize your affiliate marketing success. Online courses and e-learning. Online courses and e-learning platforms like Udemy and Teachable have opened up exciting avenues for individuals to monetize their expertise. If you have knowledge in a specific field, creating an online course allows you to share your skills while generating income. These platforms provide user-friendly tools to help you design, host, and sell your courses to a global audience. The quality of your course content is crucial for attracting and retaining students. Invest time in creating engaging, informative, and well-structured materials that provide real value. High-quality videos, clear explanations, and interactive elements can significantly enhance the learning experience. Additionally, effective marketing is essential to reach potential students. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and content marketing to promote your course and build an audience. When it comes to pricing, consider your target market and the value your course offers. Research similar courses to find a competitive price point, and consider offering discounts or early bird pricing to encourage signups. By focusing on quality content and strategic marketing, you can successfully promote your online courses and expand your reach, turning your expertise into a profitable venture. Stock photography and video. Stock photography platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock offer excellent opportunities for photographers and videographers to earn money by selling their work. These platforms allow creators to upload their images and videos, making them available for purchase by businesses, marketers, and content creators looking for high-quality visuals. Each time someone downloads your work, you earn a commission, providing a steady stream of passive income. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to understand the types of content that are in high demand. Currently, lifestyle images, authentic candid shots, and diverse representations are sought after. Additionally, video content such as short clips and animations is increasingly popular as businesses look to enhance their marketing efforts. When submitting your work, optimizing your submissions is key to improving visibility. Use relevant keywords and tags that accurately describe your content, making it easier for potential buyers to find your work. High-quality thumbnails and detailed descriptions can also attract more attention. By focusing on creating in-demand content and optimizing your submissions, you can successfully navigate the stock photography and video market, turning your passion into profit. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored a variety of online platforms that offer exciting opportunities for increasing your income. From freelancing on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, To selling unique products on Etsy and Amazon, the options are vast and cater to different skills and interests. We also discuss the potential of affiliate marketing, where you can earn passive income by promoting products, and the growing field of online courses and e-learning, allowing you to monetize your expertise. As you consider these options, remember that taking action is key. Explore the platforms that resonate with you, and don't hesitate to dive in and start your journey toward financial independence. The digital landscape is full of possibilities, and with the right approach, you can turn your passions into profit. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your path to success. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.